Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today is day 3, Asking Basic Questions. In today's lesson, we are going to learn some of the most common questions used in everyday English conversations. When we meet new people, we ask questions to learn more about them. We ask about their name, where they come from, their job, where they live, their hobbies, and their favorite things. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to introduce yourself in English, ask simple questions, give simple answers, have a basic conversation in English. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice speaking every day. So, let's start learning. Part 1. What is your name? The first question is, what is your name? We use this question when we want to know someone's name. For example, what is your name? My name is John. You can also say, my name is Sarah, or I am Sarah. Both sentences are correct. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, hello, what is your name? The other person can say, my name is David. Nice to meet you. Now let's practice. What is your name? My name is Alex. Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is Alex. Good job. Part 2. Where are you from? The next question is, where are you from? We use this question to ask about someone's country, hometown, or place of origin. Examples: where are you from? I am from India. Other examples: I am from the United States. I am from Canada. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. Now practice. Where are you from? I am from India. Repeat. I am from India. Excellent. Part 3. What do you do? The next question is, what do you do? This question usually means, what is your job? Or, what work do you do? When someone asks this question, they want to know your profession. Examples: what do you do? I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I work in an office. I work at a hospital. Remember, when someone asks, what do you do? They are asking about your job. Now practice. What do you do? I am a teacher. Repeat. I am a teacher. I am a student. Great job. Part 4. Where do you live? The next question is, where do you live? We use this question to ask about someone's city, town, or place. Examples: where do you live? I live in New York. I live in London. I live in California. I live in Toronto. Practice. Where do you live? I live in New York. Repeat. I live in New York. Very good. Part 5. What do you like? The next question is, what do you like? We use this question to ask about someone's favorite things, interests, or activities. Examples: what do you like? I like music. I like reading books. I like cooking. I like watching movies. I like traveling. You can also ask, what food do you like? I like pizza. I like rice. I like noodles. You can ask about hobbies. What hobbies do you like? I like playing football. I like drawing. I like swimming. Now practice. What do you like? I like music. Great work. Part 6. More basic questions. Let's learn some more useful questions. How old are you? We use this question to ask about someone's age. How old are you? I am 25 years old. You can also say, I am 25. Practice. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What language do you speak? We use this question to ask about languages. What language do you speak? I speak English. I speak Spanish. I speak Hindi. Practice. What language do you speak? I speak English. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Other examples: my favorite color is red. My favorite color is green. Practice. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Practice time. Ask and answer 10 questions. Now let's practice together. Listen carefully and repeat. What is your name? My name is Alex. Where are you from? I am from India. Where do you live? I live in New York. What do you do? I am a teacher. How old are you? I am 25 years old. What language do you speak? I speak English. What food do you like? I like pizza. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What do you do in your free time? I like reading books. What is your favorite hobby? My favorite hobby is playing football. Excellent job. Conversation practice. Now let's practice a short conversation. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello. Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Maria. Where are you from? I am from Spain. What do you do? I am a student. Where do you live? I live in Madrid. What do you like? I like music and movies. Great conversation. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Introduce yourself. Say, my name is Alex. I am from India. I live in New York. I am a teacher. I like reading books. Try to speak in complete sentences. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Closing. Congratulations. Today you learned how to ask and answer basic English questions. You learned how to talk about your name, your country, your job, your home, your hobbies, your favorite things. Practice these questions every day. Speaking English becomes easier when you practice regularly. In the next lesson, we will learn more useful English sentences for daily conversations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.